everybody. I just wanted to stop in and say hello. Welcome you guys to week 3 and kind of go over what we're doing this week and some things to kind of look forward to as the weeks go on. So the first thing to be aware of is your paper topic. That's due September 14th, so that's coming up pretty soon. But I had 1 or 2 people email me their topics and asking if that would work. And that's fine if you email me it, but go ahead and also put it in the Dropbox, turn it in on a Word document. That way they're all in one space and it's not going to get skipped in the grading process. And then I also want to go over with you the discussion board for this week and the quiz. And then the last thing I want to talk to you guys about is the program survey. If you guys look through the syllabus, it's worth 15 points. There's a pre-survey and a post-survey. So that's going to be going out. The first survey should be going out sometime this week. Once I'm alerted of when it's going out, I will send you guys an email and post a news item just to let you guys be aware of that and let you know, hey, this email's coming, be looking out for it, and go ahead and take that. And again, on that survey, you can either consent or not consent to your data being used or your information being used on it. But go ahead and take the survey regardless of how you decide to do that. All I will know on that survey is that you did the survey. I won't know what the information was, if you consented to it or not. So just be aware of that. That will be coming out pretty soon, but I'll send another reminder once I have made aware that it is for sure being sent out. All right. So this week, the first thing to do is read chapter 2, which is dealing with physical development. And then you can take the quiz, obviously. So you have 2 attempts on the quiz. There's 15 questions this week. There are no short answers, so all 15 questions should be graded as soon as you take it. Now, you won't know which questions you missed or got right, and it won't show you the correct answers. And there's certain reasons that I do it that way. Now, if we go out through the semester, and we can make some adjustments on that, but as of right now, that's how it will stay, just because you do get 2 attempts. And so if I show you the questions you got right or wrong, it makes it a little bit easier, I guess, or kind of defeats some of the purpose of knowing the material. Or exploring which ones you don't feel good about. And also some of these questions will show up again later in the semester. And then the first thing on your discussions I want to show you is the facilitator list. So if you go to content and then course information, the facilitator schedule's here. So make sure you're checking that and seeing which weeks. This week it's Bryce and Kristen. So you want to make sure you do that. And then also in the content under course information, there's a rubric that shows how points are kind of decided for both the participant and the facilitator. So always be checking that if you're not sure of how that's graded, especially as the facilitators. Make sure you're kind of seeing what you're graded on. So be aware of that. And then the discussion board this week, there are 2 topics, early and late maturation and stress and storm. So just be sure you're kind of checking those, participating, being active in those. And I need to change that setting on the early and late maturation so that you don't have to post first. It should show you the posts that have already been made. And then later in the week, I'm going to, post a video, just kind of my process on finding research articles. So I'll post that later this week as you guys are kind of working on finishing up your topics, and then as you guys start preparing to do your article summaries that are due October 5th. So that's kind of something to look forward to later in the week. But if you guys have any questions between now and then about the quizzes or the discussion board or being a facilitator or anything else that's coming up in this course, please email me, and I will get back to you as quickly as I can. So look forward to hearing from you guys. Look forward to reading your discussion posts, and you guys have a great week.